very powerful tornadoes struck the city of Fuxin in Liaoning Province in eastern China today, almost on the border with North Korea. The phenomenon, filmed from various angles, was so strong that it caused significant damage, severely damaging many homes and cars, leaving behind a trail of destruction and debris where it affected buildings and infrastructure. Within moments, however, the tornado was active in an open area with much less damage. In addition to the tornado, there were severe thunderstorms in the area. This was the second tornado to hit the same area in the past 4 years. There is no information on injuries at this time.